When it comes to increasing the value of your sugar land property, many homeowners focus on major renovations, such as remodeling kitchens or bathrooms. However, one often overlooked upgrade that can have a significant impact on your home's marketability and value is window replacement. Investing in new windows not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home but also offers practical benefits that can make your property more attractive to potential buyers. Here's how window replacement can increase the value of your sugarland home. Enhanced curb appeal. The first impression is crucial when selling a home, and curb appeal plays a major role in how buyers perceive your property. Old, worn-out windows can make even the most beautiful home look outdated. New, modern windows with clean lines and energy-efficient features can instantly elevate the exterior of your home. Whether you opt for sleek contemporary windows or traditional styles, updated windows make your property stand out from others on the market. In Sugarland, where properties range from classic to contemporary, choosing the right style of window to match your home's architecture can significantly improve its appeal. Whether you go for a bold, modern design or a more classic approach, new windows contribute to an overall refined look that will catch the eye of potential buyers. Improved energy efficiency. In a city like Sugarland, where temperatures soar in the summer months and winter can bring chilly spells, energy efficiency is a key concern for homeowners. Windows play a large part in the energy efficiency of your home, and older windows may be allowing valuable heating and cooling energy to escape. This not only impacts your comfort but also increases your utility bills. Modern windows are designed with advanced insulation features that help regulate indoor temperatures by minimizing heat transfer. Double or triple pane windows, low-E glass, and gas-filled units can prevent heat from entering your home during the hot summer months and keep warmth inside during the cooler winter months. These energy-efficient features appeal to eco-conscious buyers and those looking to save money on utilities, making your home more desirable. Noise reduction. Sugarland is a growing community, and with growth often comes an increase in traffic and noise. If your home is located near busy streets, replacing old windows with newer, soundproof options can be a game changer. Modern windows are designed to reduce noise transmission, helping to create a peaceful indoor environment. This added comfort factor can be especially appealing to families or individuals who prioritize tranquility and privacy. Buyers are likely to recognize the value of this improvement, knowing that they will enjoy a quieter living space. Increased home security. Old windows can be a security risk. Over time, window frames can weaken, and locks can become unreliable, making it easier for intruders to break in. Replacing outdated windows with new, high-quality models can improve the security of your home. Many modern windows come with advanced locking systems and stronger frames, making them much harder to tamper with. Enhancing the security of your property not only makes it safer but also adds an extra layer of appeal for prospective buyers who want peace of mind. Low maintenance and durability. Older windows, especially wood-framed ones, often require regular maintenance to keep them in good condition. This could mean frequent painting, sealing, or addressing issues like rotting and warping. New windows, however, are typically made from durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which require much less upkeep. These windows are resistant to the elements and require only occasional cleaning, making them an attractive feature for buyers who don't want to deal with the hassle of maintaining aging windows. The long-term durability of new windows also means that homeowners will save money on repairs and replacements in the future. Return on investment. When selling a home, it's important to focus on home improvements that offer a solid return on investment (ROI). Window replacement is one of the home upgrades that delivers a high ROI. Potential buyers are often willing to pay more for a home that features modern, energy-efficient windows. In fact, studies show that homeowners can recoup a significant portion of the cost of new windows upon resale, making this upgrade a smart investment for anyone looking to increase their property's value. Conclusion. Window replacement is an investment that goes beyond simply improving the look of your Sugarland home. It enhances curb appeal, boosts energy efficiency, reduces noise, increases security, and reduces the need for ongoing maintenance. All of these factors contribute to a higher property value, making your home more attractive to potential buyers. Whether you're planning to sell soon or just want to improve your home's functionality, replacing old windows is a wise decision that can provide both immediate and long-term benefits.